Show you what I spotted on my way home from work today. Show you what I spotted on my way home from work today. Overfilled my lunchbox with elderberry. Also got a nice piece of poplar that I'm taking home. Yeah, very good. That's a nice find. That is a nice big bunch of elderberries on that one limb that came off of. It's gonna be good. Turned out pretty good. That's a note that Kim left me in my lunchbox a long time ago. Got this big old poplar log, hoping I can get it to slide off at least over one of the forks on the tractor. It moved it somewhat, but that's all right.
Come here. Come on.
Ellie, you got to stay out of the way. Come on.
Hey.
Come over with Mama.
Good girl. Stay over here.
It did it. Still going to have to probably cut some off because it's probably too much weight for the tractor. And I'll cut it off to see what kind of crotch figure I can get on this. And if I can. And I need to get some siding boards out of this. Got some rot through the middle, but I should be able to make boards. It is one hot day out here. I want to brag on a couple of things real quick. And one is the electric Remington chainsaw you just saw me running. My gas saw is a steel. And I got this Remington where I helped a guy do an estate sale. And I thought, you know, heck, I'll try it. And it has just done really, really good for me. Three and a half horsepower. And it is just does a heck of a job for me. The cut through this poplar was really with ease. And the second thing to brag on, this is a big old log, is my tractor continues to surprise me. It's a 30 horsepower Branson, and I really thought there was no way it was going to pick this log up. I picked some big ones up, but they've been dry, and this was just cut down day before yesterday. And like I say, it just really surprises me with what it does. So I'm gonna get back to figuring out how I want to cut this. I'm gonna try to save this crotch that I just cut off. See if it'll fit on here. I'm not sure if I can get a cut on that or not, but we shall see. If I can, somewhere down the road, it might make a nice little table. So now that I've got it cut, I'm going to seal the ends and set it aside and work on getting this big old thing up on the saw. I always worry about big logs like this hitting the bed of the saw hard and moving it. Some of the earlier videos probably saw where I had this loading platform here, and that again was being cautious when I bought the saw. But as I get more comfortable with loading, I'm using it out at the end of the saw to stack boards on now. But I just don't want something big and heavy like this to be hitting into the bed hard and moving it. I got it anchored pretty well. So now, get this thing turned where I can yield the most wood out of it. still some sawdust on this, but watch how pretty this is. Very, very cool poplar. Having a big old fan like I got right here. I'm always fighting the light out here, but it sure helps a lot.